Hey guys, quickly here on the 4Runners. So in order to replace your subwoofer, instead of taking all of this out, and the bottom part, and the seat, and the seat belt, and then this whole panel, all the clips you got to take off, and potentially you'll break several of them. What I would do is take just a regular box cutter knife like this, sharp blade. You're gonna cut along the perimeter like this, and then once you cut along the perimeter, this will come right out. Then you're gonna unbolt the screws with a I believe it's a Torx T20. So you're gonna do that. Unbolt those screws, and then this is going to come out next. That's trash. Then your frame is going to come out next. Hold on to this just in case for the new subwoofer that you're upgrading to. And then for the wiring, I believe one of the guys on YouTube said the black one, this one here, is the positive, so I'm guessing that's the negative, and I got to luke those up as well. But yeah, you don't have to take apart everything. And then once you're done, I'm actually going to just put the new subwoofer in that I got, and it has a really nice kind of front to it, so I'll actually just leave it as it is like that. But if you wanted to, you could just take this, put some super glue around the end of it, and then it'll actually go nicely back in there. Nobody's going to know that you ever took that out. So literally took me about 2 minutes to do this. Alright guys, so the subwoofer finally came in. Went for this MB quart. It was like 50 bucks off Amazon. Really cheap to wire it. On the one side, you strip the wire stripper, and you put the black in the red and the green in the black. And then on the other side, you're gonna put the yellow in the black and the red with the red. So red is positive with red on this side, and on this side, black is positive with the red. And then basically all you do is I'm gonna use these self-tapping screws. So I just use these. You don't even have to drill anything, very easy. Just mount it up, level it, and then just install that. If you want, you can reuse this back. So what you're going to do is just take some super glue around the edge and mount it back. I'll show you guys when that's done, and that's basically it. Little disc here if you wanted to, or you could just